Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining a single purpose and the first visible CTA. This focuses design decisions and increases conversions. Once done, establish a layout grid, 12 columns with a 16px base type, so spacing stays consistent. Make sure to gather a high-quality hero image, a logo SVG, and 2 brand colors. These assets set visuals quickly. Begin the index HTML with semantic sections, header, main, footer, then wire in the hero and CTA. This avoids rework and moves the project forward now. Now you build structure and visual hierarchy so the page reads clearly. Start with semantic elements and a mobile-first CSS file. Set breakpoints at 600, 900, and 1200 px to adapt layout. Implement a typographic scale off a 16px base with a 1:25 ratio and 1:5 line height for readable text. Once done, craft the hero using a grid area, add concise headings, and place the CTA within thumb reach. Make sure to test spacing and contrast as you refine components. Complete the index by optimizing performance and accessibility so your design works for everyone. Prioritize critical CSS inline, compress images, and defer non-essential JavaScript to reach a 1 to 3 second load target. Add keyboard navigation, alt attributes, and ensure color contrast hits at least a 4:5 to 1 ratio. Once live, audit with Lighthouse and remove unused CSS. If layout breaks, inspect the grid and media queries first. Fixing a single breakpoint usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.